Hello everyone. On this video we are going to use named routes to go from one screen to another. You can see here the demo we are going to build. We have two buttons, and if you select one you go to one screen, and if you press the other one you go to another screen, and you can go back as well. A starting project, we have already here these three screens. I have here the main.dart, then I have the home screen, the second screen, and the third screen. The home screen, you can see we have two buttons. The second screen, just a text and a button, and I can show you there is no navigation between the screens. That's what I'm going to implement now. Go to home screen and put here the identifier. I'm going to put it as a static string because I want to use it without initiation of this class. So, and this one I'm going to call it home. I can copy this and paste in the second screen. We only need to change here the value. This one I'm going to call it second screen, and do the same thing to the other screen, and also change the value. Make sure all files are saved. So go here, save, and here as well, and save, and this one save. Okay, so now we can use the routes. Put it here, routes, and put the three routes we just created. The home screen dot root takes a function that has a argument as the context, and it returns the home screen widget. And do the same thing for the second screen. Takes also the context and returns the second screen widget. And the same for the third screen. Takes the context and returns third screen. And here you can select the screen you want as home. To do that, use initial root and put it here, home screen dot root. But you can only use initial root or home. You can see on the line 19 we have there home. We can't use both. We have to use or initial root or home. So I'm going to delete home, and I can show you the app. It has the initial root, the home screen. I have to do cold restart because we changed the home. You can see here, but the screens, the buttons are not working yet. But the home screen is set as starter. Now I'm going to put the on press on the buttons. So go here, and inside on press put navigator.push name, and you pass the context and the root's name. Now do the same thing to the other button, and then change this to third screen. Like this. Change also this text, and you can see the second root has the background color blue, and the third root the background color red. I'm going to change this text as well because this should be the third root, and I'm going to run the app, and you can see it's all working. Now we just need to dismiss the screen and go back. So go here to this button on the third screen and put navigator.pop, and the same thing on the second screen. I'm going to run it now and see. Okay, go back, and it's all working. So thanks guys for watching, and if you like this one, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. See you in the next one.